Listen to this and feel it. This is the now. It seems ever present. It seems always available for you to use. It hums quietly away in all directions, without limit or regulation. You can capture it only briefly and without ownership, just as a point can be imperfectly understood to exist in space with perfect smallness. But you may capture it in this way as often as you choose. The now is limited by some strange imposition known as impermanence. Always changing and in motion. The very nature of the creature who is able to make use of the now is transience. The motion of one body implies the stillness of another. Now necessarily requires its corollary, which is the not now. Not now is vast in both directions, as it constitutes all states that ever were or will be, except now, which makes the now a condition of infinite preciousness. You are in now. Listen to it and feel it. It approaches and it passes without pause. This was written to you from a similarly precarious moment that must have passed, to express to you that I was, as you are, once aware of the impermanence of the now. The moment is now and then now else when. It slips through the clench on its endless progression forward, to which boundaries are yet unknown. Either each moment is unique, or else it is not. In the first case, there must be an infinite number of possible states to accommodate such an endless expansion of moments. If there aren't enough available states to carry an infinite number of these possible moments, then not all of the moments can be originals. In this case, in order for the now to be truly endless, all states must be on a continuous loop. Thus, the now might end, go on forever, or repeat itself in great cycles. Whichever is the reality, the state that you now occupy is rare beyond any comprehension. For purposes of benefit to yourself, and to all of those around you who share moments with you, and to all of those who share moments with them, and to the resultant, ever-expanding circles that eventually capture all possible states with their boundless momental growth, recognize the now. And maximize it to advantage. Using only its indescribably small presence outside of time, it captures our essence. The fact of the now is the fact of our consciousness. It perches on the cusp of the great dune of impossibly continuous motion, as a grain that seems neither to rest nor to roll to one side. This marvelous cascade continues only until it has passed through its use of you. Try to seize it, or it will be gone again without explanation or apology, inevitably leaving you for its untold expanse. But not now.